tienes valor.
Si te perdiera estaría mejor.
Si vas a cambiar, nunca lo sabré.
Eso es algo que nunca jamás descubriré.
Crees tener todo y no tienes nada.
No te esperaré llorándole a mi almohada.
Las cosas que dices no tienen conciencia. Estás acabando toda mi paciencia.
Otra vez jugaste conmigo y dejaste al desnudo mi corazón. Cada mal tiene su castigo, no mereces.
Why Blendtec? We believe in our blenders, so you can too.
We want to have the best in the world so people can be healthy and happy.
Every Blendtec is made in Utah with pride, passion, and purpose. All are backed by the longest warranties and the most caring customer service in the business.
8-year warranty, can't beat it.
We just want people to be as thrilled with their Blendtec as we are, and people are thrilled. Just read the blogs or ask someone who owns a Blendtec. They all have a story to tell about how it made a difference in their lives. From helping their family get healthier to helping their business thrive.
It's delicious.
Blendtec has been a company you can count on to keep innovating, and that's the kind of company we try to align with.
This is my retirement right here.
Obviously, the real strength of Blendtec goes way beyond watts and horsepower. It's in all the amazing things that Blendtec enables you to do.
Here you go, waitress.
I just like it in the smoothie.